So here she is after the first round of cleaning. She's still drying out, but this the lock hole that had the screw right here is completely rotted out. When I took the brass out, it was all just wet wood underneath it, so that's all gonna need to be replaced. There's also a crack that runs along right there. Underneath all this grime, there is quite a few cracks on the edge, like right there. Crack run down, a couple on the other side. Very, very dirty. I don't know how to get the trigger out. Gotta figure that out. On the other side, spin it around. This side has a lot of wormholes that go the length all the way down. Mine still has part of the original hatch box cover. Lots of wormholes. This part pretty much just fell out with the toothbrush. So I can't imagine if you cut the stock lengthwise in half, what it would look like. There's a crack in the patch box. Haven't gotten the butt plate off either. But again, there's a couple sections that are cracked, like right there. I'm glad they're there. I can at least epoxy them back on, but there's only so much you can do. But looks like everything's here. There's my trigger guard, brass, and here's my lock. It's got a good chunk of grease in there. But again, she's pretty dirty. So we'll see how she cleans up. Oh, I forgot. Here's the barrel. I haven't done anything with it yet. This is the bottom side. It doesn't look pitted really, so I'm happy with that. There's the bayonet locking bar, whatever you want to call it. It's got a lot of surface rust, but otherwise I don't really feel any pits on it yet. Pretty happy with it. Also, the board looks pretty good. See if I can set it up and get you in there. No, not really, but she looks pretty smooth. I don't think this is the right ramrod for it, because this is it. This is the ramrod it came with. It's got the screwed end right there, and when you stick it lengthwise down, it goes all the way in, and another at least 3 inches. So I don't think that's like the right cleaning rod. Probably could have just showed you the length of it this way, but see, from the muzzle to the breech, not the breech, but the end, there's probably about, what, 5-6 inches there. Still needs to go down, so I don't know, I'm going to have to research that. I don't think it takes that much powder to fill that void, but I don't know. There's the end, the nipple. Got both of the sights, so I'm happy with that. Very, very dirty. that's about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy hunting.